Hey guys, welcome back to Anna Creations. This time I'm gonna discuss about my recent purchase from Smitten. Smitten is an app wherein you'll be getting few trial points in the starting. With those trial points you can order few products for free and you'll just need to pay 30 rupees of shipping charges. So let's get started with this video to know more about the Smitten.
Yeah, so let's go to the Smitten app. This is how the Smitten app looks like. You'll have two sections here. One is the trial, the another one is the shop. If you go to shop, you can find different products here. These are of very good brand, I say, and the offer is also there. As you can see here, you are getting most of the perfumes. If you are interested in something else like makeup and all, you can go here, makeup, fragrances, beauty and grooming, etc. Now, I want to talk about trial sections. Okay, in the beginning, you will be having 6 trial points for free. So let me explain what are these trial points. See, now we are considering this product, which is Leaf Lemon Swirl. Okay, if you want to know about the product, then you can go to the details, find out more. Yeah, you'll have everything about the product. You can try this product for 1 trial point. Okay, let's try now. So it automatically gets added to your cart. If you are interested in the another product, again try now. Okay, so as you can see here, this product is for 3 trial points. This is because the quantity of the product is more, as they are just providing you the sample, but here the quantity is more, so they are availing it for 3 trial points. Okay, you'll be having all of the products here like this. You can try now. Okay. Oh, after availing all your 6 trial points, you'll be getting a notification from the app that all your available trial points have been used. So let's go to the cart. Yeah. Now, as you can see, any of the 6 trial points will be for 200 rupees. As you can see, like 199. Now, if you proceed for the payment, it says that you can get 169 back to the wallet. As I have said that, it's a free trial point. Or you have another option like converting these 169 rupees to unlock your 6 trial points again. So what they're saying is that you can order again 6 trial points and you will be paying for that 199 rupees. So you can choose any of them and then you can do the proceed thing. You have to fill the address here and then proceed to payment. See, you'll be having like payment modes and you can select any of them and pay. You can download this app by the link provided by me by using the referral code to avail all the trial points. And also you'll have another option of refer and earn. If you refer this to your friend and if they order any of the product, you'll be getting 200 cashback. Using this cashback, you can buy the products which are present here. Any of the product which you like from here. And to avail this trial point, your minimum referral cashback should be 500.
So this is the box I've received from Smitten. These are the 6 products I've got. Yeah, these are so cute. See? This is the Sun Demons Geranium face wash, which also contains witch hazel. Yes, I've used this and it's a very good product. Now this one, it's Requel Fruit Aha face wash. Let me just open this. It smells really good. And now this is Sear Secret Scalp Oil. Yeah, if you have any dandruff problem, because it contains neem, onion and curry leaves, this will be very useful for the dandruff. This is Aranya Day Cream, which has SPF 15+, which is made of okra. Yes, these are all the sample products. Two cute products. This one I've ordered from my brother. Yes, One Night in Prague, the fragrance mist. I'll just check this. It smells really good. Yes, obviously it's the men's. Now let us open this cute scrub, face scrub. This is Organic Ayurveda in this valley. See this box. Yes, this is the scrub.